After Hubbard, when our mans told on us, them bands they took from us. Joy Road, bitch, but the money long as 6 mile, brick mile. Knock your house down, pick her up, knock her back down, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap girl, yes, I slap dog, yes, I slap loud.
What's going on, guys? So today we're out here at Taylor's house. He's got the red GTO, and we're doing some headers on it. But what are you doing?
They're Texas Speed Longtube headers. Cooks afterburner exhaust, which is already on the car, and then pipes, X pipe. So with the headers, it's catless mids, so it should be pretty loud. So that's what I'm hoping for.
Let's get to it. Taylor actually has a lot of room here. When I did my G8, I had no room on both sides, especially in the back. He actually had a lot of room back here. But this shouldn't be bad. I just did mine in like August.
So basically, the reason I got this one is because it bolts up to the Texas Speed. So it's just...
Oh, it's a chain isn't it?
Yeah. So it's just the X inside of it. But, so this is like the factory way that they get bolted up.
Okay.
So then Texas Speed is designed to bolt up to the factory exhaust. So we'll just take the X pipe or the resonator out, and then this is supposedly just clamped in. I'm not exactly sure how, and it didn't come with instructions, so I guess we'll
figure it out. We got all these bolts broken on this side. Taylor's on his side working them, but we got them all out. So now I think all we have to do is unbolt the cat, and then I think this will all fall right out. Alright, so we don't know how to get this dipstick. Like, there's no way to get it out because there's a bracket right here that goes to the dipstick, makes it not move, but it's in between the manifold. So now we got to do some looking up to see how to get that through. Got your boy Elvis here.
No, it's not Elvis Holmes, it's Carlos.
Oh yeah, Carlos here. Cat 2 out. Oh, it's dark as hell.
You have a fucking ketchup packet in the back of your engine, bitch.
Nuh-uh.
Not see it? There's a Heinz ketchup packet in the back.
What?
The fuck do you have a ketchup packet in the back of your engine?
I'm trying to get that out. Watch out.
Why is that back there?
I don't know. Oh my god.
How long is that thing back there, dude?
You got any mustard back there? I don't know this fucker is.
Dude, he's so low.
Bagged it.
What's up?
Where's that excuse for a wrench?
Oh, your actual size penis?
Yeah.
What up, Tokes?
I need that 13.
Or the wire's finally off. They're a pain in the ass. No. Time to get the header in.
Hear the wood block just disintegrate.
Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't do that. Because what if it just cracks?
They'll just fall back on the jack.
Shit, he's getting reckless now.
Oh, this is not safe.
Fuck them chickens, Holmes! Get the glasses.
Oh, he's gonna shoot out to the right.
No, it'll be fine.
Go fuck it. It's professional as fuck.
Watch over that. Did we clear it?
Oh, dude. Oh my god, we fucking did it, dude.
Yes! How are you? Is that one?
Alright, hold on, Taylor.
Make sure you grab them gaskets.
No, I'm just putting this in the holder.
Oh, please.
Alright, so we got all this shit back on.
Hello!
Taylor's down there putting that stupid bracket back on. We got these damn things in here. But now we gotta put the gaskets in.
Go lay on the ground, dude. Come on.
So we got the header on.
Fuck off.
Everything's all good. Wires back on. Coil pack thingy's on.
Come on. Look, my plan.
This side is good to go.
Come here. Look.
But now we just gotta
Why
work
is
on
that
that
one
side.
bent so weird? The other one's not like that.
Well, it's different for each
There's a
side.
reason.
Don't fuck. Because
Come on.
this
But
shit's in the way. That's probably
this is
why
all
there's a
good now.
reason. So get around the steering.
This is not gonna fit.
It's gonna fit. Trust me.
No, dude, my axle shaft's in the way.
We'll take the axle out.
No! The entire steering rack needs to come off.
It just needs to
The
move out of
only
the
way
way.
this is gonna fit is if we go from the top. I'm telling you right now.
All right, let's try it from the top.
Okay.
I don't see it fitting like this either, to be honest.
Oh, no, wait, should we just take all this shit off like we did last time? It frees up a lot of space.
Stop fucking ripping.
We got problems here. That one's in all good, but this is in the way.
Let's go bust some shots.
So
Let's go.
we're not really sure what we should do about it. But I mean, it's the only thing in the way.
How far should we go?
There's one bolt down there behind
How
this,
far should we go?
but I don't know. But I think that's gonna be it for today. I mean, it'll be same vlog tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna come over tomorrow. Come over to Taylor's after class, and we're gonna try to take this apart. Day 2, no, yeah, day 2, but it's 3 days later. But I just got here, and Taylor managed to get the dipstick in. We were putting it like that way, but I guess it goes this way now. So, but yeah, it's in. Just gotta tighten that bolt up a little bit. But yesterday, while I was gone, a couple of buddies came over, and Taylor actually got the header on. He had to do a lot of work. He had to take off the steering rack, but now it's all on. So now it's just let's put it all back together.
Just need to get it lined up and put in the hole.
Alright, so got everything on, all nice and tight. Wires are on. Now Taylor's just down there working on the steering rack. But once that's done, I think we're ready to move on to the actual exhaust. Alright, boy Shramy's out here. But we got most of everything on, but we're just having some trouble with the steering. We just can't get it on. We're all kind of frustrated, so I think we're gonna call it a day again. And I don't know, Taylor says he just wants to bring it somewhere, but I know we can do it if we just had more daylight.
That's very loud.
That's so loud, dude.
At least it sounds good.
Yo, it's cold. It's cold out here.
Alright, well, I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Round 3. Back at Taylor's house. And we're going to take another crack at this. Down?
Right off. Here we go. Is this pipe bent weird? Oh shit.
Alright, so we got the O2s in. We got the mid pipes in. We're trying to get the stock exhaust up now. And then we're going to jack the X pipe up and then connect it to the mid pipes, and we should be good.
Frames here?
Got the O2s on. We got the brackets on. Taylor's just tightening up the last one there. X-pipe's all hooked up, so I think we're ready to start her up. Alright, so we've been at this for a while because now it's dark outside. Oh man, what's that ride over there? But we got everything on. We're good to go. Taylor's gonna start it up real quick and see how it sounds. Bad? Damn, that's got a nice tone to it. That's pretty much it. Are you happy with it?
I'm so happy. Finally, it doesn't sound like a stock GTO anymore.
I mean, we did pretty good. Took us a little bit, but it's all a learning process. I mean, I've only done my headers, and it was completely different from this. Headers are in. We got the mids, and then the X pipe in, and I mean, it sounds like 100 times different.
Yeah.
I'll probably do like a from stock to now, but I mean, other than that, it sounds like 100 times better. I mean, you can tell doesn't have just stock exhaust on it.
Yeah.
But I think that's going to be it now. Taylor's actually, since we ended up not getting the steering on, Taylor's actually going to take it to a shop to get it done because we just can't get it and we're done fiddling with it. So we're just going to finish it. But I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
Check out these fucking mean spinners, home. Them chromies, dog. Sup, fuckers? This Carlos, home.